Hi everyone. Today we will examine the online version of the CapCut program that we use in video editing on mobile devices and computers. We will do video editing via internet browser. There are vertical and horizontal video editing options in the CapCut online video editing interface. First, we will edit a horizontal video. In the Upload section, we choose the local option and choose one of the videos on our computer. We can also upload videos via Dropbox and Google Drive. When we examine the tabs on the left, there are stock videos, audio files, transition effects, filters. Our video upload process is complete. We drag the video to the timeline section. We are uploading a few more videos for testing purposes. I drag and drop one video to the top of the other video in the timeline. In the timeline, the top video appears in front of the bottom video. I'm reducing the size of this video and adding transparency. I add one of the stock videos and make an introduction to my video. Now let's make an effect on our video. Next, let's add an audio file. Let's also cut some parts of the video using the crop tool. Now we finish this video file that we have prepared with the export option. In the export section, I first set the resolution of the video as 1080p. The video quality is high and I choose the file format extension as MOV. You can also choose MP4 file. Then I try to export as to K and 4K. Quickly the video files are ready for download. Now let's examine the effect transitions between videos. You can add different filters to your video from the Filters section. You can also add emoji effects in the Sticker section. There is also the option to add different text styles to the videos. Now let's review the videos we downloaded. When we right-click on the video files and look at the file information, we can see the resolution, bitrate and FPS values. In this experiment, we also tried to add files via Google Drive. Let's take a look at how effectively the transition effects work. Our review video ends here. See you again.